Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another powerful not reprint indicator. So as you can see on our chart that we have added the not reprint indicator on the chart, and I want you to see that in this particular one we have our indicator on this particular move, and it helps us to identify the accurate trend because this is not reprint. Once it appears, it stay permanently on that particular level. As you can see now, we have our trend here indicate to us that we have an uptrend, and we can see what the indicator did at this particular area. You can see we have the arrow for uptrend here, we have another one here, we have another one here, we have another one here, and you can see how massive this particular trade move. And this is boom 500 on 5 minute time frames. You should know how massive it's going to be, and you can always see that we have our lowest low level here, we have our higher high level here, which means this particular move is going to reach this particular level. It's going to reach this particular level, and when we go back, if we go back a little bit, and we are going to see another accurate level at this particular zone. You can see this. This is another accurate level at this particular zone. So at this particular level now, we see that we have our support level for uptrend here, and we can see that we have our arrow indicator appear on this particular move too. We have it at this particular move. So we can see we have our arrow indicator around this particular area, which is our not reprint indicator. We have the first one here, the second one here, the third one here, and we can see how massive it is till we reach our highest level. We reach our highest level here before it give us a signal for downtrend. You can see this is the best accurate for us to take a up entry. Don't forget, this is 5 minute time frames, and also this is another accurate for us to go massively. So I want to show you guys the another one. We can see that we have that is for uptrend, and we can see this particular one for downtrend. We can see this particular one for downtrend, and we can see that we have our trend support level here, which indicate that we have a downtrend, and we can see our two arrow here at this particular area for downtrend, and you can see how massive this particular trend go. This is 5 minute time frames, and these are not reprint indicator, which work powerful and greatly, guys. So for you to get this indicator is very simple, but this indicator also is costly. So if you are interested in getting this indicator, it's very simple. So do well to reach out to us, and you will surely get this indicator. You can join our Telegram group, and you get access to me, and I will reply to you guys. Thanks.